Let's try wordsmithing what can go into a cell. Here we want every cell to begin with the letter A. So we say equals left of A1 is highlighted, equals, and in double quotes, A. It doesn't matter if it's large or small, as long as it's A, that will work. Now let's try it out. I can put in Adam, but I can't put in Brigham. Let's put in Andy. And you noticed I used a small a and it works just fine. More complex patterns are found on the next worksheet. We want the selected cells to accept an entry only if it begins with A and that contains exactly 5 characters. To create this pattern, we will look at a COUNTIF formula. Let's now try that out. If I put Adam, begins with an A, but it only has 4 letters. If I change that to say Adams, we should be fine. The same as if I put Aaron with 1 A, it won't work, but I put Aaron with multiple A's, and that works. Maybe it's just 5 letters we want. Let's type out begin. This one doesn't begin with an A, so it's not appropriate. The next sheet is Monday only. On the Monday only sheet, a person can only input a date if it happens to be a Monday. Let's highlight this sheet. Notice the formula I put in for you already. The weekday of A1, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3. If that equals 2, then it's allowed. So let's try something here. I'll put equals today. Now today happens to be a Thursday, so it won't let me enter that date. But if I come up here and type equals today plus, let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4, let's see what happens. That works just fine. However, tomorrow that will have a wrong date in there, but it's only upon input that it checks the date. The next tab is Stay Within Budget. We have a party budget of $500, and we have the various inputs to that party. D6 sums up all of the inputs. Notice data validation says the sum of B1 through B6, or I could have said whatever is in E6 has to be less than or equal to what is in E5. Let's try to violate this rule. What if I type in $75 for soft drinks? The amount you entered will exceed the budget. Enter a smaller amount. Boy, this is what some people need for their spouse, or even themselves. Okay, we can have a lot of fun with that one. Our last tab today is Draw Attention. In this tab, we've got a lot of data already input. Afterwards, we've created a rule that says it has to be greater than or equal to $200. We can highlight those cells that violate this rule by coming up here, Data Validation, circle the invalid data. And we can see the problems and go fix them. Or maybe we wrote a rule just to highlight it for somebody else to see what a great job or bad job others have done. We then can clear the validation and re-enter it. I hope you've enjoyed learning about conditional formatting and data validation. It can be very useful, and also it is just a lot of fun. Use it, enjoy it, and make it your own. Thank you.